Weeding. In a field, many other undesirable plants may grow naturally along with the crop. These undesirable plants are called weeds. The removal of weeds is called weeding. Weeding is necessary since weeds compete with the crops plants for the water, nutrients, space, and light. Thus, they affect the growth of the crop. Some weeds interfere even in harvesting. Farmers adopt many ways to remove weeds and control their growth. Tilling before sowing of crops help us uprooting and killing of weeds, which may then dry up and get mixed with the soil. The best time for the removal of weeds is before they produce flowers and seeds. The manual removal includes physical removal of weeds by uprooting or cutting them close to the ground from time to time. This is done with the help of kurpi. A seed drill is also used to uproot weeds. Weedicides. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicides like 2,4-D. These are sprayed in the fields to kill the weeds. They do not damage the crops. The weedicides are diluted with water to the extent required and sprayed in the fields with a sprayer. Do weedicides have any effect on the personnel handling the weedicide sprayer? Spraying of weedicides may affect the health of farmers, so they should use these chemicals very carefully. They should cover their nose and mouth with a piece of cloth during spraying of these chemicals. Food from animals. Many people living in the coastal areas consume fish as a major part of their diet. In the previous classes, you have learnt about the food that we obtain from plants. We have just seen that process of crop production involves a number of steps like selection of seeds, sowing. Similarly, animals reared at home or in farms have to be provided with proper food, shelter, and care. When this is done on a large scale, it is called animal husbandry. The main foods we get from animals are milk from cow, goat, and meat from the same goat, chicken, some other animals.